Hello everyone, Sam myself from creativetrading.com, making this a small video about gold. So let's get started. This is the gold monthly chart, and this is what we are doing. Wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5 is underway, and which is unfolding like wave 1. The blue count 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5 is becoming extended and not stopping. Right, so it's keep going to the upside powerfully. And my weekly chart now shows like this. So this is the TL that I draw, and then the parallel line plays here, and then this is where maybe we're going to go. We're going to stop here after touching this. Okay, so this is, if you can see here, that this is wave 1, 2, and this is a big extended wave 3. And when wave 3 is pretty big, right, bigger than usual, then what happens is that wave 4 comes like as almost the same size as wave 2, and then wave 5 will end up as wave 1, the equal size. So that's why I marked here. It's a blue here, then yellow, yellow. That's my take, my prediction. But let's see what happens. We need to stop here and then drop first, right? So now the daily chart, forget about that. My 4-hour chart, let me show you the chart I earlier made yesterday, a couple of days ago, was this on the 15th, right? And I said that we are here, so we may be at 127, right? So either from this 127 we're going to drop, or we're going to go up a little bit more to this area, 161, and then we probably drop, right? So what happened is that it started to come down here, and then again it went up nice and clean, and right now we are at this level. Watch this. So this is what happened. So this was the chart, and it came down and made the turn straight up, and this is where I just recorded the chart. So live chart, let me see if I can show, and then this is the new chart that I made, is this, right? So now it is like wave 1, 2, 3, followed by wave 4, and then 5 to the upside, or if it is A, B, C, then 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5 to the downside. So let's see what happens. Right, but if we stop here, like around maybe 30, 35, and start to drop, then we can say that we are going to go down. I would say that 30, 40 would be the bottom line, and after that, let's see, 30, 40, 30, 50, should not be going more than that. But the way it is going powerfully, since when? Since here, right? Then it can go to the upside, but I'm expecting a down move now, and I will be waiting for a short setup to take a short. Right. So the live chart right now, if you look at the 4-hour chart, so I made the chart when we were here. So it went up again and touching this line here, 30, 38, and kind of like again stopping and maybe giving us a little sign of pulling back down. So let's see what happens. Let's see, right? So this is how. And basically the chart that I follow basically is like this one. If I see this reversal candle here to the downside, and then later on I will go and even a short, this chart, it will go here, and then I will make the entry, short entry, just like long entry. See this? When it goes to the upside, this is how beautifully it goes, giving a setup, long setup, long setup, long setup, right? All of these, this one, all of these were entries. And if it is coming down, then it will do the same thing. So this is just the side we're going right now, and let's see if it will start to drop. 30, 40 would be right here, 30, 38, right there, right? Just kind of like getting a stop here, right? But you never know. It's very unpredictable. It just, comes down a little bit and then start flying again, right? So be very careful. And this is it. And yeah, so don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get my videos on time. Bye for now, and talk to you guys later.